We have a lot to talk about today, don't we, Rex? Oh, there's so much. Where do we start? Well, let's start with, it's a pretty Friday morning. Wind is from the west. That's supposed to be best. Altocumulus, cirrus, stratus, thicker cloud off to the west. Sunshine, very high in the sky. Slept late. Big day yesterday. Big day out there in the water. And we have a new rain gauge. I don't feel any water in the grass. Yay, that just happened. Wow, it's gonna be a big one. I don't know what's wrong with this guy. He's been half eaten. I think that's half the problem, right? Anyhow, breaking news. Logan Airport got 0.04 inches of rain last night. Oh, look at that. Looks like we did too. Although if I flatten it out, yeah, it's about 0.4. Oh, wait. Oh, what's this? A new real rain gauge. Can you read in there? 0.12. This is my first time. Okay. It looks like we got a 0.04 or so. Back off. A 0.04 in the new rain gauge. I got to put that into my Coco Roz update. I haven't really figured out how to do that yet, but it's legit. Oh yeah, and the rescue plants, they've been moved from the barrels into the ground. And hydrangea survived the transplant and the drought. Hosta, and this is our baby patient, which looks like it is still alive, in my opinion. So they're gonna survive. Did a lot of weeding out yesterday. What is that thing? Anybody know? Please tell me. The forecast for today is increasing clouds in southern New England with a chance for rain tonight. The Euro has 3/4 of an inch of rain tonight. There's the Euro, a wave of low pressure south of Cape Cod where there's forecast to be over an inch of rain tonight. And here's the NAM with all the precipitation missing us to the south. So, meteorologist, you make the call. I had this rule when I was on TV. Never use the word model on TV. Just make a forecast. My forecast is for most of that rain to miss us to the south. I think Boston stays dry. Cape Cod gets showers overnight, maybe a 0.2 or 0.3. Rainfall total for this month in Boston so far, including yesterday's 0.04, is 0.62. 0.6 of an inch of rain. I think that's the 4th or 5th driest July on record. The wettest July on record last year was 10 inches. So you add up last year and this year and you get weather being weather. Speaking of weather being weather, E-Weather, and it slipped my name, the person that got the video of a tornado yesterday in Colebrook, Connecticut. Wow, that is legit. And I do not believe there was a tornado warning. I do believe that there was a severe thunderstorm warning. And you can see here on the Boston precipitation totals how that storm tracked, or I think there might have been a couple of them actually, from the Berkshires across the Pioneer Valley with an inch of rain for Chicopee and Springfield and Westfield yesterday. That was the jackpot. Oh yes, and of course, Mitch didn't get the top prize yesterday, but another 0.8 of an inch of rain. Thank you, Mitch, winning and sharing your rainfall lottery ticket yesterday of massive raindrops. I thought they were snowflakes when you first posted them. It was raining so hard. And so now Mitch is over 5 inches in 8 days. I would say the wettest spot in New England is maybe this side of Aroostook County, Maine. So that rain tonight, I think, is mostly a mist to the south. The dew point's going to come down with a wind from the west-northwest tomorrow. Looks like a beautiful day with sunshine, few clouds, though it may take some time actually for the clouds to clear off at the south coast, especially if it does rain tonight. And I do think it rains along the south coast. And then I think that's it for rain for July. Here's the 14-day forecast for Boston. The Euro has backed off. It's 101 for next Thursday. Now it's only 99, but you can see the numbers kind of crisscrossing the uncertainty. It looks like a potential heat wave next Thursday, Friday, Saturday, maybe into Sunday and Monday. I would go with that. Odds favor a heat wave again because of how hot it is and all that devastating flooding on the edge of the heat across the middle of the nation. Kentucky so hard hit, and Missouri to Kentucky picking up a foot of rain in the last week or so. So much going on yesterday. The installation of that rain gauge, that was kind of interesting. How you like my outfit. And also Weir came down with his flight board. We sampled out the flight board, took a hard hit. I'll do a complete surf cast, I guess, on how you operate this flight board. It's a lot of moving parts. Happy weekend. All right, there's actually a rain cloud over there, over Boston, so time to put in the rain gauge. We get an assistant. What's your name? Where are you from?
Name is Weir, retired meteorologist from the National Weather Service.
Does this look kind of official or what?
It sure does.
More than that blue bucket I've been using.
Took weather ops for 34 years from something like that.
Oh, cool.
Weather Service.
So maybe you can help me install it.
Oh yeah, it doesn't take too much technicality here. Okay, I don't know. It looks like Tim just got back from a Grateful Dead concert. But what you doing here, Tim?
Well, in order to install that rain gauge, you need some wood. Put a post up, and I find my wood on the beach.
Wait. That looks like repurposed wood. Somewhere.
Yeah, we're repurposing. Drive that right into the ground.
Woo!
The other end, there's a nail in there. You just cut this off.
Wow.
That'll work?
That'll work. You are quite the handyman. That looks pretty good to me. What a day. It's about 90 degrees here on the Fall River.
All right, come on over. Tell me when you're rolling.
I'm still rolling.
Oh, you're still rolling? We'll edit that.
You can
so,
edit it.
this is the Roger Kent Garden, still standing after all these years. Look at this. I dug down a little bit. One of them Miracle Grow spoons just kind of came right out of the ground. So, I don't know. I may have cut this too short, but I think I'll just mount it right here next to the thermometer.
Perfect.
You know?
Get a little fill there. This guy is quite the handyman. Maybe he's going into construction now. Yeah, it's a little tilted. Well, you just got to get a little fill. Don't go down too far. Holy mackerel. Old school thermometer saying 102?
102 out here?
Now what?
How's this look?
Great.
Somewhere in there.
Beautiful.
Down a little.
Wow. Don't hurt yourself. Beautiful. Here it goes again.
All right. Oh, jeeps, that was a little tight. All right. And then it's very technical, right? You can do this, Tim. Doesn't take a degree in meteorology.
Beautiful.
Boom. Maybe we'll get 0.01 overnight. Can you do hundredths in this thing?
Yeah, I think you can.
How about snow? Snow
I don't know about snow, but you can put this, yeah, YouTube, this will be a how-to if someone gets a rain gauge, how to mount it.
Yeah. Don't wear any shoes.
Oh, Jesus.
Get a sledgehammer and a friend that can hold the camera.
Beautiful.
We say we do some e-foiling.
Yeah, time to get out there before the storms hit.
All right. Comes not fully assembled.
No, but it only takes a minute to assemble it.
Yeah. What's it called?
It's called a flight board.
Flight board?
Flight board, yeah. It is a electric e-foil.
Electric e-foil.
Yeah, just a
We're going e-foiling.
big boy toy.
The gulls are admiring your work, Weir. Look at them all. What's that guy doing? Oh, there goes a part. I'll get it.
Get it.
Nice. Making it look easy. By the way, it's not easy to make this video either. Look at that.
There he is! He got it! He had it! There he is! Yes! Oh, he had it!
Yeah, that was cool, man. It's a weird.
There he is! He got it! He had it! There he is! Yes! Oh, he had it!
Yeah, that was cool, man.